What's up, everybody? Going on a nice little walk at sunset. I'm gonna try to show you. Got a nice sunset over here. Going on a nice little walk. Sometimes you just gotta do that. I just got off work and just felt like I needed some good fresh air, some nature, and a nice little walk. So, you know, you never know where inspiration may come from. Um, and if you feel like you're in a funk, just get out in beautiful nature. Put your toes in the grass, toes in the sand, and get your body moving, and you'll feel a whole heck of a lot better. Hope everybody has a lovely day or lovely night. Peace.